Hi, I am Nadia. I am an AI visual creator specializing in realistic commercial content for brands, social media, fashion, beauty, real estate, and digital storytelling. I create AI influencers, talking avatars, cinematic videos, fashion campaigns, architectural visualizations, music videos, animation, and branded content using modern AI workflows. I work with tools like Kling, HeyGen, Nano Banana, ElevenLabs, Suno, Midjourney, ChatGPT, Crea AI, Higgsfield, Adobe Photoshop, and many other AI platforms. My skills include AI automation, voice generation, lip sync videos, cinematic animation, visual storytelling, and professional post production. From concept and scripting to animation and final editing, I create complete AI powered visual projects for brands and businesses.